Do you want to know how you can make money online completely for free and fast without taking surveys? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and if you have watched any of my videos before, you will know that I actually do like taking paid surveys because it can be a great way to earn some extra cash and have your opinion heard. But I am also very often asked about other ways to earn money online for free because paid surveys are just not for everyone. Maybe you have a hard time qualifying for surveys, or maybe you do just not like them, or maybe you live in a country where there are not a lot of paid surveys. There can be many reasons that you might not want to take paid surveys, but the good news is that there are plenty of other free ways where you can start earning right away. And in this video, I'm going to show you 8 free, realistic ways where you can earn money online for free. But when it comes to making money online, you need to be realistic, and it is not possible to start earning hundreds of dollars right away without making any effort or anything like that. These free methods are what you can call easy money websites because they are so easy to get started with. Anyone can do it, and you can start earning just after signing up. But if you're looking for a way to make a living online, then these methods are not for you, and that is important to understand so you go into it with the right expectations. If you want to make a living online, it takes a lot of effort and a lot of time, and the methods I'm going to show you here what will allow you to earn some extra cash on the side and starting right now. So with the expectations set correctly, let's now then go over these 8 methods. So the first method I want to go over is what you can call passive income apps or passive income platforms in general. And I will also show you an example for each of these methods. And in this case, I pulled up Honeygain because Honeygain is an app or a program that you can install on any device you want to, and then you can earn just simply by having it installed because you earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It will not earn you a lot, but as you can see, it does not take any effort at all. And the great thing is that if you join through an invitation link, you will actually get a $5 joining bonus. And I have such an invitation link, so if you decide it's for you, then you can click the links below this video here and find that invitation link and get your joining bonus. But Honeygain is just one example. On my website, I have a list of several other of these passive income opportunities, so you can find some no matter where you live and no matter what your preferences are. As with all the other information I mentioned here, I will leave links below the video so you can easily find more ways to earn there and all the details about each of these opportunities and easily find out how to join them. Another method to start earning completely for free online is by doing different data entry tasks. And one platform that offers this is RemoTasks, and you can, for example, earn by drawing lines or doing transcriptions and things like this. And there are a lot of platforms that offer this. Depending on your skills, you can make decent money like this, but it does require quite a lot of effort. So it's not fast money in that sense. You can start earning right away more or less, but it does require quite a lot of work. But also here I have a list with even more opportunities of different types of data entry tasks on my website, and I will of course leave links to that below here if you think that data entry tasks is the right opportunity for you. So the next method is one that I'm very often asked about, and that is how you can earn by watching videos. And there are actually quite a lot of platforms that will pay you to watch videos. Timebox is one of the good options like this because they have several different opportunities to earn by watching videos, and some of them are also mostly automatic, so you can just let it run, kind of taking care of itself, and earn that way. It's just important to know that earning by watching videos is not something that will earn you a lot of money. It can be entertaining, or in some cases be done more or less automatically, but it will not earn you as much as some of the other earning opportunities here. But if you want to earn by watching videos, I of course also have a list on my website with some great sites that actually offers this, so you can easily find out how to join them, and there are options no matter the country you live in. So the next option I want to talk about is what's called paid offers, because many get paid to sites that also offer service and many other ways to earn often have offer walls where you can, for example, earn by signing up for free trials or signing up from different websites or things like this. And one of the great options for this is PriceRipple. You just need to know that these offer walls, you need to read the exact conditions, and if you choose wisely, some of the offers actually gives really good opportunities. And I have a whole video that explains how you find the best of these paid offers, and I will of course link to that below here, and also put a link in the top corner here so you can easily watch that video and learn more about how to get most out of paid offers if this is one of the earning methods you want to explore more. So let's move on to the next earning method, which is to earn by playing games. And there actually are platforms that you can join no matter where you live and no matter your background, and start earning right away by playing different games. One of the options is AppKarma. That is an app, as the name suggests, and here you can download different mobile games and earn every time you play them. It's not something that will make you rich or anything like that, but it can be a fun way to earn a bit extra. And here of course I have also put together a list of even more opportunities, and I keep updating that list when I come across more platforms that actually will pay you to play. The next option I want to go over is to get paid to click ads. I'm very often asked about these PTC sites, as they are called, because it is a very easy way to earn. You just earn by clicking ads. However, there are not really any high paying PTC ads. You need to be aware that it usually takes 1,000 clicks or something like that to earn $1. So it's not fast, easy money, but I know a lot of people really want to explore PTC, and I have complete guide and ultimate PTC guide on my website that explains all about how much you can earn, and also show some examples of some of the best ones if you decide this is for you. So the next earning opportunity is to earn by solving CAPTCHA, and this is also something that a lot of people are really interested in because it is very easy. You can just start doing it without any background or any experiences, and there are plenty of sites that offers this. However, it's actually difficult to find good CAPTCHA solving sites, and usually they pay quite low rates. But if you decide this is for you, then I would recommend you check out a platform like Timebox, because they also have that option together with all the other earning opportunities it offers. And the great thing is here that you do not need to solve that many CAPTCHAs before you can actually get paid. On many CAPTCHA sites you need to solve 1,000 CAPTCHA before you can get paid. Here it is a lot less. I think it is 15 or something like that, if I remember correctly. But also I have a full guide about solving CAPTCHA on my website, and I will of course leave a link to that below this video here. And there are also more examples of legit CAPTCHA solving sites you can join if this is the way you want to make some extra money online. So the last method I want to go over is to join a cashback site, because if you ever shop online, you need to use a cashback site, because cashback sites is where you will get money into your account every time you spend money online. And if you're going to shop online anyways, then why not do it through a cashback site where you will actually earn back a certain percentage. And one of the great options for this is Swagbucks. It has thousands of cashback offers, but there are plenty of other great cashback sites. And of course, on my website, I have a list that I keep updating with other great cashback opportunities. So you can also check that out if you ever shop online, because then you should definitely make sure to use a cashback site. So as you can see, there are plenty of free ways to earn online where you can start earning very fast without taking surveys. So if service is not for you, then there are many other opportunities. And I hope this video has helped you realize which options are the best for you. And if you want more information about any of these opportunities or join any of the platforms I mentioned, then I will leave links to all of that below this video here. So make sure to check that out. And if this video helped you, then also make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of it, get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.